So these days, cost optimization is top of mind for everyone. How is this helping you with that?
You have real dollar saves either by straight up optimization or cost avoidance. And it allows you to show your customers, people who don't deal with the tools or the spend on a daily basis, to say, do you really need 10 different vendors in this space? What's differentiating them? Why are you doing this? And the bigger the company, I think the greater the payoff, because you get into scenarios where you have isolated groups doing business with a particular vendor or supplier, and someone to the left of them or the right of them is doing something very similar, sometimes with the same vendor. But I'm sure in very large companies, you could have separate people negotiating with different people in the same company, and that's just money left on the table. So the thing I really learned with Ken and his team and what they've done and what Marie and her team did in the collaborative portion of this is that there is real dollar saves, and it is not just spending money to have a flashy screen. If you're using the data properly, you will pay it off pretty quickly.
It gave me a different view of our spend. When you work more tactical or operational, it's easy to get lost in the details and just to get things done. Understanding the bigger picture, it was easier to question, is this where we should spend this money? Does it make sense? Are we spending money in the right places?
When you put things in front of people in a big graphical interface, they really can't avoid what they're spending, and they either justify it or don't. And when it jumps out on the screen, you say, wow, I didn't realize I was spending 35% of my budget in this one bucket. Yeah, maybe I could do without that.